특수부대를 전역하고 미국 곳곳을 여행 중인 남자 잭 리처. 오늘 행선지는 조지아주의 시골 마을 마그레이브입니다.
Coffee, black, and peach pie.
순간 싸늘한 직감.
Police! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
You're under arrest for murder.
그렇게 리처는 영문도 모른 채 경찰서로 연행됩니다.
I'm Chief Detective Oscar Finley. Jack Reacher, parents deceased. One brother Joe, older by 2 years. Retired Army. Commanded the 110th Special Investigations Unit of the military police. Took out a few men in the course of your duties. And who has the knowledge and training to murder someone and cover it up. Body was found by the highway embankment near an overpass. 2 9mm 95 grain close range shots to the back of the head. No casings found. Partially covered by flattened out cardboard boxes. He was beaten badly post-mortem. No idea yet how he wound up dead. Okay then, well, maybe your court-appointed attorney will get you to open up.
I don't need a lawyer because I didn't kill anybody.
한편 리처의 신원을 파악하던 경찰 로스코는 특이한 사실 하나를 발견하는데
The only proof Jack Reacher exists is the fact that he's sitting in that room. No online profile at all. No driver's license, mortgage, insurance claims.
3 men dropped this body. Bullets were small caliber, 9mm, 95 grain, that's subsonic. A silencer was used. He also knew enough to pick up his brass. Shooter was someone who knows firearms well. You're also looking for a psycho who'd beat up a body post-mortem. Totally different profile from your professional. Well, the third guy's so worried about getting out of there, he grabs some nearby debris and just lays it across the corpse. Your psycho isn't suddenly going to be rational enough to know he has to hide the body, and your meticulous shooter isn't going to do a sloppy job with roadside cardboard.
But you still match the description of someone seen walking the highway earlier today near where the body was found.
Well, that's because it was me. I got off the bus from Tampa and walked to town.
If I can confirm you were on a Greyhound bus at that time, you're cleared. Until then, you're in the holding cell. We're running down a phone number found in the dead guy's shoe. Want to clear that up too before we let you go. You know anything about that?
Means I'm gonna be here for a while. Phone companies are slow responding to warrants.
Come on, you're in the hole.
결국 유치장에 들어가는 리처. 하지만 신문하던 까칠한 필리와 달리 로스코는 그가 범인이라 생각하지 않았죠.
So you know I'm innocent.
How do you figure?
I doubt it's procedure to bring coffee to the guilty.
If you are guilty of something, can't be much. Preliminary run on your prints turned up nothing.
Roscoe, we're taking a ride. Got a hit on the phone number.
피해자의 신발에서 나온 전화번호를 추적한 핀리와 로스코는 곧장 번호의 주인 허블의 집으로 향하고
Found that strange. You invited me over to chat but never asked what crime.
I just wanted to get you over here so we could talk.
Unidentified male shot to death. He was found with your number written on a paper scrap in his shoe.
순간 창문 너머 검은 차량을 발견한 허블은 돌연 자신의 범행을 시인하기 시작하는데
I did it. I killed the guy by the highway.
So you expect me to believe that you, a man with no criminal record, that you just blew a man away?
I told you I did it, okay?
A double-barrel shotgun blast right to the face, and then burnt the body.
Yes, I did.
Your life's about to get very complicated, Mr. Hubble.
누가 봐도 수상한 허블의 증언에도 필리는 일단 허블을 체포하기로 했고
Reacher, come with me. He just confessed to the murder.
How nice.
Not so fast. He admitted to things that didn't even happen. One guy lied about killing another guy. That doesn't clear you. Maybe I'm just thinking the guy who was seen near the murder site, guilty or not, might still have information to share.
I don't, but Stevenson does. He and Hubble were looking at each other.
Stevenson and Hubble have cousins that married each other.
It's more than that.
Back inside. Stevenson, my office. This man seems to think you know something about Hubble that you aren't sharing with me.
Sir, there was a family party last night. We stayed late. We danced with our wives way past 2. I drove him home. All I know is that at midnight, he was nowhere near that highway.
Okay, get out of here.
The only way you'll know why Hubble confessed is if he tells you.
Yeah, well, maybe a weekend in lockup will motivate him. Let me know what he says.
This is bullshit. You have a confession.
Now, Chief Morrison wants you in custody till we know for sure that all 6'4" of you was on that bus from Tampa.
결국 어이없게도 허블과 함께 구치소로 넘어가는 리처.
My name's Officer Spivey. You'll be housed far away from the animal factory till they can line up a weekend arraignment for you.
다음날 눈을 뜬 리처는 무언가 잘못됐음을 직감합니다.
Well, that's not good. We're not with the guys awaiting arraignment. We're with the lifers.
What do you mean, lifers?
I mean people sentenced for life. So stop stressing and save your strength. You're gonna need it.
그리고 잠시 뒤 리처의 예언대로 흉악범들이 신입생을 찾아오죠.
Like my glasses too. Get my glasses.
그때
See, you're in my house, fatso, and you didn't ask permission. Now I'll count to 3.
Do you know who you're talking to?
1, 2. You owe us a pair of glasses.
Time is up. Time is up.
You're the only thing keeping me alive in here. Thank you.
그렇게 한 차례 폭풍이 지나간 후에야 허블은 리처에게 모든 진실을 털어놓았죠.
And I know everyone who's ever caught says they were forced into it, but I really was. These guys, they forced me to help them with their financial scheme, okay? I'm not a criminal. I'm a currency manager. My bosses promised if I disrupt their operation in any way, they'd nail me to a wall, cut my balls off and make me eat them.
대화 중인 두 사람을 멀리서 지켜보는 한 무리 흉악범들.
I'm gonna hit the head.
I'll go with you.
If you boys knew what's about to happen to you, you'd leave now. So I'll give you to the count of 3. 1.
My report says you were placed upstairs. Why are you in Gen Pop? Anyone asks, you've been here the whole time.
I'm more curious why whoever you work for wants me dead.
What do you mean?
That guard from last night, Spivey. You set us up in Gen Pop. Guys in the shower ID'd me as a person to take out. Once I'm out of here, I'm gone. Something bad's going down in Margrave, and I don't need to be a part of it.
그 시각 리처의 군 복무 이력을 입수한 로스코가 필리를 찾아옵니다.
Got Reacher's military record from DC. You want to hear the back of his baseball card?
I do. Major Reacher ran into the Inferno, carrying soldiers out 2 at a time. Major Reacher suffered severe smoke inhalation, but returned to active duty 32 hours later, despite...
You want to hear his MP numbers?
No.
Over 150 closed cases.
What in God's name is a guy like that doing in Margrave?
I hate to be the one to put him in there.
그리고 잠시 후 버스 회사의 CCTV가 확인되며 마침내 리처와 허블이 석방됩니다.
Figured a guy with no money, ID, or car could use Lyft.
So you cleared me, but how does a guy who confessed walk away?
Well, everybody knows that Hubble's lying, so we're holding off on charges, hoping that a nervous guy like him just cracks and spills what really went down. Caught a love tap inside?
I got set up, but whoever he took orders from wanted me gone, and they're gonna get what they want.
I was gonna apologize with an early dinner, but if you're not sticking around...
Okay.
Great.
So I'll check out the town for a while. See you in a bit.
Sounds good.
하지만 두 사람의 저녁 약속은 지켜지지 못했습니다.
Another body was found in the brush, 40 yards from the first one, same caliber bullet.
Reacher, did Hubble talk when you two were locked up?
He didn't talk to me the whole time we were in there.
I don't believe you.
My alibi cleared.
So I'm wondering if maybe it was some other 6'5" gorilla on that grainy Greyhound tape. Or you get in the car and we go to the morgue.
필리의 말도 안 되는 협박에 리처는 일단 영안실까지 동행하고
This second guy, he was shot in the back of the head while running away. He was shot from far enough away and it was so dark he couldn't be found, so...
What about our first John Doe? Any luck?
His fingertips were compromised by a dermatitis reaction. Dental work was inconsistent. Some of it was done in the US and the rest was foreign. We're waiting for the results. What? No, do not.
First victim was allergic to latex. The victim grabbed it in the struggle, causing his fingertips to swell in a histaminic reaction. His dental work's off because he had his teeth fixed wherever he was living at the time.
수상할 정도로 피해자에 대해 자세히 알고 있는 리처. 피해자는 다름 아닌 리처의 형, 조 리처였습니다.
What was your brother doing in Margrave?
I don't know.
When's the last time you saw Joe?
A minute ago in the morgue.
You being smart with me?
I'm being straight with you.
Get the cuffs on.
Okay, this isn't gonna happen. Reacher, sit in the back. Let it rest. This man just lost his brother.
Thinking about him lying in that morgue. Thinking I'm supposed to do something about it.
Like what?
I guess I'll find everybody responsible. And kill every last one of them.
Where do you think you're going? Reacher! I don't need 250 pounds of frontier justice tearing up this town. Follow him. Make sure he doesn't ruin our case.
그렇게 리처를 뒤따라간 로스코는 그와 함께 사건 현장을 둘러보기로 하는데
Printer Joe's. Size 13. See the divot? The shooter came through here. Waiting for Joe. Knew he was coming.
Maybe it was personal.
Someone takes your life, it's always personal.
Tell me about Joe. Are you guys tight?
Last time we spoke, he was working in Homeland Security.
What department was your brother in?
Don't know.
What?
We hadn't spoken in a while.
Where are you going?
Find a motel.
그러는 사이 마그레이브에는 또 하나의 살인 사건이 일어납니다. 희생자는 경찰서장 모리슨이었죠.
What is he doing here?
You told me keep an eye on him. I keep an eye on him.
Was he nailed to a wall?
How did you know that?
Subject has been nailed to the wall, contralaterally with 6 spikes.
He wore rubber overshoes and gloves. At least 4 to do that to a guy Morrison size.
Holy sh! Fucking balls are gone.
In his stomach.
Okay, Reacher, outside. No more games. How do you know what you know?
The people Hubble worked for said they'd nail him to a wall and cut his balls off if he caused problems.
You said Hubble didn't tell you anything in jail.
I lied. What I want to know is who else in Margrave PD's in on it. The Morrisons were killed for a misstep. Not pinning the murder on me, Hubble walking out of prison alive. But the way they were killed sent a message to their organization.
So you're saying that Morrison was working with the same killers Hubble was mixed up with?
That or we just saw a big fat coincidence nailed to the wall. You next in line for Morrison's job?
For your information, Mayor Teal didn't promote Finley. He just appointed himself acting chief.
Whoever's running this had Morrison under his thumb. No one sits in the chief's chair unless they're under it too.
I'm gonna call my buddy at the FBI.
Teal's first order was no stadies, no feds. He wants us kept in-house.
Great. Teal's called an emergency town meeting.
리처와 로스코는 곧바로 허블의 집을 찾아가지만
He called late last night, said that he had to speak to some people about sorting out this bank madness, and when I woke, I realized he'd never come home.
I'll stay here since I'm armed. You go find Finley.
I need your car.
We will find the person or persons responsible for these crimes, and we will punish them to the fullest extent of the law. Per the powers given to me by the town charter, I have appointed myself chief of police, and I will not sleep until we have the perpetrators behind bars and on their way to getting the needle.
Mayor Teal. A word? I just want to let you know that I'm going to start cross-referencing forensics from both murder sites, too.
These killings are not related. Track down the biggest scumbags he ever arrested, who've since been released or paroled, pardoned, everything in between.
Teal's trying to frame the Morrison hit as a revenge killing. This starts smearing Kleiner, and I'm not going to be able to look into anyone except the losers in Morrison's old case files.
That's what you'll pretend to do. And the next one has to do with Hubble's wife and kids.
My FBI buddy, I wanted to reach out to earlier. Name's Picard, Atlanta field office. I'll call you when it's set up.
잠시 후
Back. Got a call from Finley. FBI agent named Picard is on his way. Picard will keep you safe. It's what your husband would have wanted.
Why are you talking about him in the past tense?
We have to assume Paul's dead. There'll be time to grieve later. You have to think about your kids.
Okay.
I'll go wait for Picard.
허블의 집 주변을 살피던 리처는 쎄한 검은 차량을 발견합니다. 그 순간 리처는 본능적으로 위기 상황임을 직감하죠.
We're on the move. It's not safe anymore. Let's go.
Girls! Lucy, come get your backpack.
바로 그때
Hey, easy. I'm Picard.
All right, come on, girls, come on.
Finley said he can't get the FBI officially involved yet, so I'm going to take a few personal days, watch the family myself.
We won't let you get burned.
Better not. I told him not to take this job.
그렇게 허블의 가족은 FBI 요원 피카드와 떠나고 리처는 자신을 공경에 빠뜨렸던 교도관 스파이비를 찾아가는데
Look who it is. You should have let those boys kill you in the prison.
Let's go.
No.
I'm gonna gut you.
Stop where you are! Foot pursuit of 1 suspect, second and large.
It didn't go as planned.
Just got off the phone with the Georgia State Police. No suspects from the Blue Cat Brawl were apprehended.
Probably military or ex-military. South American.
How'd you know they were South American military?
Spoke Spanish, had Glock 17s, and the technique one guy used to headbutt me was from a martial art called Ricey. Hardly anyone uses except branches of South American Special Forces.
Well, I might if you're done talking about Spivey and South American military. Turns out Joe was working for the Secret Services Division of Homeland. Joe was an investigator like you.
Your brother could have been involved in almost anything.
Counterfeiting? Hubble specialized in currency management.
I left a voicemail with the Office of Investigations.
Thanks, Doc.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm getting a beer.
그리고 다음날 조와 함께 살해된 또 다른 피해자의 신원이 확인됐다는 소식이 전달되고
Victim's name is Pete Joblin. trucker for South Freight Shipping.
43, married, resides in Atlanta.
Record's clean except for a 2018 arrest for a Jacksonville traffic violation that
그런데 체포 당시 피트가 고용했던 변호사가 눈에 띄었습니다. 딱 봐도 수임료가 엄청나 보이는 로펌 소속이었죠.
Oh, looks fancy.
Not the kind of firm that defends truck drivers.
뭔가 의심스러운 정황을 확인하고 돌아서던 일행은 조의 동료에게서 연락을 받게 되는데
Officer Conklin, this is Molly Beth Gordon's. I got your message regarding Joe Reacher. I work with him.
Hi, Molly Beth.
Joe.
Miss Gordon, this is Jack Reacher. He was murdered. Do you know what Joe was doing in Margrave, Georgia?
He was running a classified investigation. I just don't know the detail.
Was anyone working under him?
No, he assigned his current case to himself. Nobody knew about it.
You did.
We were close.
Was there a specific division of OI that Joe was heading up?
He ran our antique counterfeiting department.
Had there been reports of counterfeiting in the Margrave area?
I really don't feel like. Can we just talk about this another time, please?
I know it's not the best time to answer questions. We really need your help.
Okay. He was chasing international stuff. I can try to get his files for you.
Thank you. Hard copies only. Talk soon.
Your counterfeiting guess was right, Reacher. No way it's a coincidence Hubble was the currency manager for Access Financial's Atlanta branch.
Okay, so we check out where he worked.
I'll track down some of the suits after hours. No, you're gonna go see Zacharias Perez LLP. See what you can find out about Jobling's arrest.
그렇게 리처는 과거 피트 사건을 수임했던 로펌을 찾아갑니다.
Now get me your file on Pete Jobling, a client you represented for a traffic violation and disorderly conduct charge.
I don't know what game you're playing at here, but get out of my office.
His file. Get it.
I will ruin your life with one phone call.
I'll end your life with one phone. Pull up Jobling's file. Print it. Thank you.
깔끔. 그러는 사이 교도관 스파이비의 주소를 알아낸 필리는 그의 집으로 찾아갔습니다. 하지만 집에는 아무도 없었고 집안을 살펴보던 필리는 한 가지 단서를 발견합니다. 그렇게 집을 빠져나온 필리는 로스코와 함께 리처에게로 향했고
So Roscoe said you found something.
Our dead trucker's employer, South Freight Shipping, they were contracted to Kleiner Industries. When our trucker got into legal trouble, Kleiner paid his legal fees.
I searched Spivey's house. Looks like he left town, but his landline showed multiple calls to Kleiner Industries.
So roads are leading to Kleiner. But I'm gonna break into Kleiner's tonight and see if I can find something that connects in.
You jeopardize this investigation if you get evidence that's inadmissible because it was unlawfully obtained.
I won't break into Kleiner's office. I'll walk in and talk to him.
I'm coming.
그렇게 지역의 유지 클라이너의 회사로 사이좋게 동행하는 필리와 리처.
Family of skilled marksmen.
Tanner Spivey has himself disappeared. Called your company multiple times in the last 3 days.
We have a general number with over a dozen departments. Mr. Spivey has a buddy on the loading docks.
Pete Jobling, also deceased, is a former truck driver for Kleiner Industries.
So it behooves me to keep lawyers on retainer to get my drivers back on the road and keep the wheels of business literally in motion. After all I've done for this town, after all I've invested into it, I'm a little insulted to be under suspicion. Some friendly advice? This evidence trail you're following, it's a waste of time for you.
You don't tell me what leads to chase and how to chase them. So if I may give you some friendly advice, hinder this investigation in any way, I will put my fucking foot up your fucking ass until your heart fucking stops.
I think it's time for you gentlemen to leave.
그날 밤 필리는 허블에 관한 정보를 캐기 위해 정체를 숨긴 채 허블의 직장 동료를 찾아갑니다.
Nice shot.
Damn right.
I'm Steve Williams.
What are you doing in Atlanta, Steve?
Past few days has me thinking how life's short. Maybe it's time I shake things up a bit.
What division are you in?
Account services, but truth be told, I started out wanting to work in currency management.
We had a guy handling that for us, but he picked up and left about a year ago, and we discontinued the department. Well, that's gonna be tough to do at our branch, Stevie.
So this Hubble guy quit the bank a year ago.
Up and left without so much as 2 weeks' notice.
한편 리처와 로스코는 사망한 트럭기사 조블링의 집으로 찾아가고
Regarding your husband.
He's dead, isn't he?
Not the reaction that we were expecting, Mrs. Jobling.
Miller. I didn't take his name. I warned him over and over that it was going to catch up to him.
You suspected that your husband was engaged in illegal activity.
You know any other truck drivers with a place like this who can pay off their parents' mortgage? He was stealing from his company, from Kleiner. He was hauling air conditioners for them down in Miami. Now, he never admitted this, but with the money he was pulling in, something tells me not all those AC units were getting where they were supposed to go. I could show you the boxes. From his work, I assume he took the units, reboxed them, sold them on the black market. There was always boxes coming in and out of here. He was always getting calls at all hours, running out, not coming home for days.
Finley, 2S3W. Got it. On our way.
Jobly would have to move more ACs than General Electric to afford those two houses.
Only thing he cared about moving was fake cash for Kleiner before he skims some off the top for himself. It's a working theory. Hoping Joe's files confirm it.
잠시 후 접선한 FBI 요원 피카드는 조 리처에 대한 정보를 들고 옵니다.
Registered to a Chevy Equinox owned by a car rental company. Then the plates get pinged at a motel 40 miles outside Margrave. Motel address, 1517 Oglethorpe Road.
Appreciate your help.
두 사람은 곧바로 그 모텔로 달려가지만 모든 흔적은 이미 사라진 뒤였죠.
And he knew someone might come after him, so we'd put him where they wouldn't look. He'd move fast. Keep the briefcase, dump the garment bag.
그의 추론대로 잭의 양복 가방이 발견되고 그 안에는 작은 쪽지 하나가 숨겨져 있었는데 하지만 그때
As soon as I fire, we run in opposite directions. 1, 2, 3.
¡Tienen los papeles! ¡Síguelo! ¡Mierda!
Now I'm gonna pinch your skull all over the...
그렇게 조의 쪽지를 확보한 두 사람은 빌리를 찾아가고
These two I don't get. Jobling's garage and Gray's Kleiner file.
Already been to Jobling's garage.
Gray didn't have a Kleiner file. When he died, I went through his office and his house, cleaned out everything. There's nothing Kleiner anywhere.
Well, PH is obviously Paul Hubble. WB. Anyone know that area code?
Beats me.
I know a PI who can help.
리처는 헌병대 시절 자신의 동료였던 니글리에게 전화를 겁니다.
Preacher.
Hello, Neely. Gonna run it down fast and clean. Ready?
Hit me.
Joe's notes had the number to the Memphis EPA office next to the initials, JW. That's all I have. Number and initials.
All I need.
Goodbye, Neely.
그날 오후 리처 일행은 조의 동료 몰리를 만나기 위해 이동합니다.
Looks like we found her. She wants to meet us at the top of the escalator.
하지만 아무리 기다려도 오지 않는 몰리. 뭔가 잘못된 게 분명합니다.
We need to split up. You take the stairs, you take the elevator.
급히 탑승구로 달려가는 리처. 하지만 그녀의 가방은 텅 비어 있었고 저 너머에는 치명상을 입은 몰리가 있었죠.
We shouldn't have left her. Just lying dead there.
We called 911.
Still.
The only way to make Molly Beth's death mean something is by catching whoever killed her.
그날 저녁 마그레이브로 돌아간 세 사람은 클라이너 회사의 모든 자료를 전부 긁어모읍니다.
He reviewed every tax return for the Kleiner fund. Seemed there was money pouring out of the fund, but it doesn't match income stream.
Are these files enough to prosecute him?
No. Tax returns at the end of the rainbow.
All the places to do this. Why Margrave? There are dying towns all over.
순간 머릿속에 무언가 스친 리처는 곧장 지도 앞으로 자리를 옮기고
Margrave is perfectly located for distribution. The old state route arterial systems cross right through here, literally staying off the radar of cops with a much bigger presence on busier highways.
But why would he suddenly go scorched earth?
It's the Coast Guard blockade. News has been talking about it for days. Blockades have been going on for a year, which means no funny money coming into the U.S.
And Kleiner's stateside running low on supply. His buyers are expecting pallets of bills he can't provide. And the kind of guys that buy this kind of product don't respond well to disappointment.
What would you do with it all?
Bottom line, I don't care why they want to do it. You and the FBI can figure all that out after the people that killed Joe are dead.
그리고 다음날 옛 동료 니글리와 접선하는 리처.
The JW on your brother's punch list was an EPA investigator named Jimmy Dupree Wilkes.
Was?
Gunned down in his home. Dead fed. The body was beaten like a piñata post-mortem. Murder weapon was a small caliber 9mm subsonic. Don't see that every day.
Happens more often than you think. It's what they did to my brother. Where was he poking around?
He was looking into toxic pollution levels in the Mississippi. But the pollution seemed to hit hardest at Chester, Arkansas.
So that's where we go.
You're gonna kill a whole lot of people, aren't you?
Already started.
리처는 니글리와 함께 죽은 윌크스 요원이 조사하던 강으로 향합니다.
Mind if we ask you some questions about the river? Find out what happened in Chester. To the river.
Clarin Chemicals, what happened?
Who's Clarin?
Bunch of rich people in business clothes who tore through our town like locusts, not even leaving bark on the trees. You ain't the first man come through asking about our stretch of the river. You know what he did?
Nothing. He was killed.
So was this town.
So, Clarin Chemical's been out of business for years, but there was a parent corporation.
Kleiner Industries.
Looks like Kleiner destroyed Chester and moved on to Margrave.
조사를 이어가던 리처는 필리의 전화를 받습니다.
Yeah.
Reacher, we've had a development.
Picard just called, said that he's gonna lose his job if he doesn't find someone else to take care of Charlie and the kids, so I'm gonna take over.
Thinking we have to kick things up a notch. I go to the source after hours, see if I can get evidence that nails this thing down.
Boy Scouts gonna do an illegal search?
Desperate times. Besides, it's not like I'm killing someone.
그렇게 필리가 클라이너의 회사로 몰래 잠입해 들어갑니다. 자료를 찾던 필리는 충격적인 상황을 마주하게 되죠.
Guess you're not pulling all the strings, huh, Kleiner?
That's a Venezuelan butterfly cut. Makes you asphyxiate and bleed out simultaneously, so you effectively drown in your own blood. From the handiwork done to Kleiner's neck, it's clear the South Americans are from Venezuela. Someone with enough juice to take out the person we thought was the boss. Someone who's not happy with how messy this has all become.
Young has officially hit the fan.
Just curse, Finley.
다음날 마그레이브는 큰 충격에 휩싸이고 분노한 클라이너 주니어는 경찰서의 필리에게 달려가는데
Still think my dad's guilty, you piece of shit!
Easy.
No. Settle down. Settle down. You went after my father for murder.
I know you're emotional, and I'm sorry for your loss, KJ. But I've never done anything in this town but my job.
Fuck you, carpetbagger.
Don't get in my office. Maybe you should get some air.
I'm sorry, did you just tell your chief detective to wait for a crime scene to go cold?
So hit the bench. I'll call you back in the game soon enough.
그러는 사이 로스코는 피카드가 보호를 포기한 허블의 가족에게 향하고
This place was used for a mob witness once. If you feel any danger, you grab that family and you run. All right, I'm gonna hit it. I'll be in touch in a couple of days.
하지만 그날 밤 칠흑 같은 어둠 속엔 그들을 지켜보는 차량이 있었죠.
What's going on?
You hear me yell? You take off for the woods and don't stop running.
차량을 확인하기 위해 안전가옥에서 나온 로스코. 그때
Okay, I'm gonna lure them away. Yes, do it. Meet me at the first mile mark you come to. Hi. Charlie? Charlie! They won't be coming after us.
Girls, come on, it's okay.
I'm gonna call Picard, have him meet us at a diner I saw on my way in. It's a few miles up the road, but it's gonna be safer in public. Watch your head.
They're out cold. I don't know how we got here.
Charlie, I have to tell you something. Paul left his job at Axis Financial over a year ago. You've been manipulated. Whatever's going on, he was involved.
I have known exactly where my husband has been working and not working every day of his life.
You said you didn't know anything.
I was protecting my family. Do you want to hear how our lives were ruined, Officer Conklin? Mr. Kleiner wanted to meet Paul.
Well, word around town is that you've been interviewing for positions at other institutions.
Yes.
I would love to throw Kleiner Industries' hat in the ring. This is what I'm thinking. I got a big client in Venezuela. Why don't you come down with me next week? 2 weeks' pay, 1 day's work.
Paul never should have gone to Venezuela.
You sure this was all legal?
100%.
You were able to move that much currency in just a few hours?
I'm real good at my job.
And I don't want to waste time, and I don't want to negotiate. I'll pay you 4 times your current salary plus a 50% year-end kicker. I need you at my company. Come on, it's a beautiful country. It'd be good to stretch our legs.
Are these all racehorses?
Mostly retired. They bite, they gnaw at the gate, they slam against the walls, trying to break them down. One day, they're locked in a stall, and they revolt. You know why I'm telling you this?
No.
That money that you moved today? Because every cent of every dollar was tied to an international counterfeiting scheme of which you are now part.
You're You're kidding.
I'm able to pay you so far above market value because, frankly, I am my own printing press. I know what you're thinking. Just like all the horses in here want to run, I'm going to leave you in here for a while so that you don't run off and do anything stupid. Don't gnaw at the gate.
그렇게 허블은 마구간에 갇혀 하루를 보내게 됐고 늦은 밤 클라이너의 부하들이 배신자를 끌고 마구간에 들어옵니다.
This is what happens to you and your family if you don't do what you are told.
You see a man crucified and castrated in front of you. You do what you're told.
Let's go.
What the hell happened?
They found us.
I'll be with you until we can figure out what to do next.
Okay.
로스코가 피카드를 다시 만난 그 시각, 리처와 필리는 새로운 살인사건 현장으로 향합니다. 이번 사건의 피해자는 경찰 스티븐슨이었죠.
He must have been involved to get the same treatment as the Morrisons.
This isn't the same.
Well, for one, they left his balls attached.
Stevenson and Hubble were family. So I'm talking to Roscoe, to you, to me. This was about getting information. It means Stevenson wasn't involved.
They thought he was working with them while they thought he was working with us.
Finley, Reacher, a word. I'm letting you go. You leave before there's any more stink on you. Maybe you can land a paycheck as a security guard somewhere. You got 1 minute to leave my crime scene or I'm taking you in.
So he gets rid of me without having to drop another body. Stick to the plan. Go see what you can find at Hubble's.
First, I'm gonna ask the last cop in Margrave to lunch.
리처는 마그레이브의 유일한 생존 경찰 베이커를 불러냅니다. 혼자만 살아남은 베이커가 놈들과 한패라 판단한 거죠.
Morrison, Kleiner, and Stevenson were all killed in dramatic ways. You know who they didn't go after? They didn't go after you. Means you're not involved. I was in Memphis when Kleiner was murdered, Florida when Jobling and my brother died. He was in Margrave when all the murders happened. Come on, Baker. There's gotta be a reason Finley wanted Hubble to go down for killing Joe. I'm breaking into Hubble's house tonight till I find something that directly connects.
You find anything, you bring it straight to me.
You know where I'll be.
Absolutely.
베이커에게 계획을 흘린 리처는 그날 밤 허블의 집으로 향합니다. 그리고 본격적으로 악당 사냥을 준비하죠.
Midpoint of the Atlantic hurricane season. Hurricane Hunter planes are flying on 2 separate missions today.
폭풍이 몰아치기 시작하자 리처의 예상대로 암살자 무리가 모습을 드러냅니다.
Margrave, Peachtree City, Woodland, Greenville, and Zebulon in parts of the metro area, and we're getting reports of some low-lying spots becoming inundated.
I don't mean I could get it.
그렇게 마지막 사냥감의 숨통을 끊고 사냥을 마치고 지친 몸을 씻어내기 시작하는 리처. 하지만 그때 젖어버린 조의 메모지가 눈에 들어오고 그 순간 리처는 가장 중요한 단서를 알아차리게 됩니다.
Reacher.
I know how they're manufacturing their money, and Joe could never figure out how they're getting the paper to print their cash. Know what's unique about U.S. banknotes? Dollars are all the same size. Bleach the ink off a dollar bill and you're left with perfect paper that you can reprint as any denomination you want. Singles will be shipped into Margrave from all over the country. Kleiner Chemicals must have developed something to bleach the ink off the money without harming the paper itself. Runoff from this process destroyed Chester, Mississippi.
Murdering an EPA agent makes sense.
Once the bills were washed, they were dried, printed. Truckers then drive the money down to Florida, where it awaits its final journey overseas to Venezuela.
Fake cash that we can link to Kleiner's company.
Joe put Jobling's garage on his punch list for a reason. He must have had some cash stashed somewhere at his home. We'll get some rest. I'll fill Finley in. Good night, Roscoe.
Everything cool?
I think Reacher just busted this whole thing wide open.
다음날 리처와 필리는 트럭기사 피트 조블링의 집을 찾아가지만 그의 집은 이미 불타버린 뒤였고.
Good. She thinks it could be arson.
They're spooked after what happened at Hubble's house last night. They're cleaning up loose ends. Anything in there that could have incriminated them is gone by now.
So now we've got nothing. Only bright side is Mrs. Jobling wasn't here when they did it.
She wasn't Mrs. Jobling. Judy never took Pete's last name. Look at how Joe wrote Jobling's garage. Put the apostrophe after the S.
His parents' house.
If you think Pete hid something out here, you're free to look.
We know exactly what we're looking for. Boxes just like the one Roscoe and I saw at his house.
Like these?
Call Picard. Tell him to meet us at the farmhouse where we left the Jaguar.
We got him, don't we?
We've got everything he needs to take down the Kleiner Foundation and Teal at the same time. Neely.
Found something on the shooter who killed that EPA agent, Wilkes. Had an expensive home, drove a pricey car.
Like Morrison and Jobling.
He's based out of the Atlanta field office. Guy named...
Picard.
How the hell did you know that?
Lucky guess. Gotta go, Neely.
피카드와 틸 시장마저 녀석들과 한패였고 모든 진실의 뒤엔 클라이너의 아들이 있었습니다.
I thought you were my friend.
I was. That's why I told you not to take the job down here.
Reacher, they want me to tell you to do what they say. Me, Charlie, and the kids, they're gonna do to us what they did to Morrison.
Whatever you want. I won't do it. No way you're letting them walk away from this. They know too much. Let me guess why loose ends concern you. Your father promised some real bad guys overseas a hefty amount of counterfeit cash, but thanks to the Coast Guard blockade, those boys haven't gotten what they paid for in a while. And pretty soon, those Venezuelans are gonna give you the same necktie they gave your daddy.
I killed my father and I cut his throat just like I saw the Venezuelans do. You know, after I bodied Morrison, my old man lost it. He started talking about how he's gonna send me away to an institution for a while for rest. I killed Jobling. I had that bitch killed in the subway. I killed your brother. You're gonna take Picard to wherever Hubble's holed up and you're gonna bring him to me.
You killed him already?
He's on the run. Thought getting lost to protect his family. Go fucking find him. Then I'll trade mommy and the girls for daddy. If I don't get a call from you by 6 a.m. saying Hubble's in custody, those 4 ladies I'm holding die in ways you can't even imagine.
How do you expect me to do that?
You're a tracker, ain't you? Last loose end.
그렇게 리처는 피카드의 감시 아래 허블의 위치를 추적해 나가기 시작하고.
He's in Augusta.
Bullshit.
He knew to protect his family, he had to get away from him, but not too far in case he felt the need to go back. Over 3 hours away, but still close enough he feels connected to his wife and kids. Plus, Hubble's a golfer. He's played Augusta. I chase down AWOLs for a living. Know how they think.
Coffee? Black?
Thank you.
You better be right about Augusta.
Got a flat. No way we make it to Augusta.
Pull over. And if you're thinking about throwing a tire in my direction.
Not my plan.
PJ's waiting on my call.
But if you shoot me, you're never finding Hubble.
You shoot me, I ain't the only person you're killing.
Okay, fine. We raise our guns up over our heads. We lay them on the trunk. We stand up and face each other, hands up.
Yeah, got it.
1, 2, 3.
그렇게 피카드를 처리한 리처는 곧장 허블에게 향합니다.
Hello, Hubble.
Okay, that's how you guessed what city I was in. How'd you find my motel?
Found a cluster of motels within walking distance of the bus depot.
You really think they'll let my family go?
Your plan is to kill all of us, just like they killed my brother. Your Treasury contact.
Mark Salas?
Real name's Joe.
I'm sorry, Reacher. I got your brother killed. I'd heard rumors the Coast Guard blockade was being lifted. Venezuelans were breathing down Kleiner's neck because production had ground to a halt. I had to try to get out before business was underway again. So I left a message on a federal tip line.
And Joe called you back.
So I put him in touch with Joe. Kleiner must have already had eyes on Jogling.
If you want to keep your family alive, you need to listen to me carefully and do everything I say.
Okay.
한편 붙잡힌 필리는 경찰서 유치장에 갇혀 있었는데
Somebody's texting you, buddy.
Duck and cover. What the hell does that mean?
바로 그때
You okay?
I can't help but see you're alone. Well, it's good to see you alive.
Grab anything useful.
그렇게 경찰서의 무기를 전부 챙기는 세 사람. 그런 그들의 뒤로 리처의 동료 니글리가 나타납니다.
Fellas,
How is she here?
Our last phone call, I asked Reacher how he knew Picard was involved. He said, lucky guess. Might as well have shouted Mayday.
Let's get to work.
리처 일행은 지체 없이 놈들의 본진으로 돌격하기로 합니다.
Love the smell of gasoline.
You've got to get your shit together. There's no way in hell that he is just going to roll over and take this boss, okay?
As soon as it's lit, you move. Your only job is to get your kids out of there. Don't let anyone stop you from doing your job. All right. Time to shine.
그렇게 시작되는 최후의 작전.
What the hell is going on?
What the hell was that?
That's Reacher knocking.
마침내 리처가 인질들에게 다다릅니다.
Take him out of here.
Go get your kids. Thank you.
Stop! Don't fucking do that.
그렇게 틸 시장이 로스코에게 제거되고
There's too much smoke. We gotta go. Roscoe. Let's go.
Where is he? We gotta go get Reacher.
He'll be okay.
How do you know that?
Because he's Reacher.
Hey! I think it might be just you and me now, Reacher!
자루를 풀어 녀석을 유인하는 리처. 모든 사건의 주동자였던 클라이너 주니어가 가장 고통스러운 죽음을 맞이합니다. 얼마 후
So this days and the feds are gonna come knocking.
I don't like answering questions.
And you don't like sticking around.
I'm pretty sure I'm a direct descendant of the wandering type. It's just who I am.
If you ever find yourself wandering by here again, give me a call.
I will. You should run for mayor. Here there's an opening.
It's not a half bad idea.
로스코와 작별한 리처는 이어 필리에게 향하고
I'm not big on goodbyes, you know, and I'm sure you're not either, but if you hadn't come to Margrave, I would have never figured out what was going on, or I would have wound up dead. You may be an animal, but deep down you're all right.
You may be an uptight pain in the ass, but you're all right too. And a hell of a cop.
I'm done with police work. Gonna stay here for a few weeks, help Roscoe get things in order, and then I'm going home. Okay, well, as one of my last official acts as chief detective, I need to right a wrong that took place at this very spot about a week and a half ago.
Slice of peach.
Thank you.
So, worth the wait?
I've had better.
마그레브에 처음 왔던 그날처럼 빈손으로 길을 떠나는 리처. 꽤 오랜 시간이 흘렀지만 리처는 여전히 미국 전역을 떠도는 중입니다.
Sorry, I have to make another withdrawal.
극도로 불안해 보이는 현금 인출 기압 여성. 리처는 그녀의 통화에 귀를 기울여 봅니다.
You've been carjacked, right? That minivan to my left, that yours?
My child is in the back seat.
Don't turn around. I can help you.
Your mom better hurry the fuck up, kid, or this is gonna go bad for both of you.
Hi. Want to see your mom?
Who are you?
Someone who prefers not getting involved.
잠시 후 ATM 영수증을 뽑아든 리처의 표정이 굳어지고
Can I use your phone?
옷가게에서 전화를 빌린 리처는 옛 동료 니글리에게 전화를 걸죠.
I got your message. 1/10, 10:30. At a stress call.
Calvin France was murdered. I need you to come to New York ASAP.
I'll let you know when I land.
과거 생사를 같이 했던 부대원 프란츠의 갑작스런 부고. 리처는 곧장 뉴욕으로 날아가죠.
Reacher. Been a minute since Margrave.
Been 2 years, 7 months, 19 days. So, Franz, give me the cliff notes.
Went missing after leaving his home in Brooklyn about a week or so ago. Body was found in the Catskill Mountains. Franz left me a few messages in the days before his disappearance. Said he wanted to bounce some stuff off of me about a case he was chasing down. I was so tied up with my own work, I kept meaning to get back to him, but before I could, Angela reached out and told me he'd been murdered.
Franz was married.
He had a son, too.
He wasn't just murdered, he was tortured.
Checked out of a plane.
He was thrown from a helicopter. An airplane has a stall speed of what? 80 miles an hour? 100 tops? They would have shoved him out of the doors playing horizontally into the slipstream. He'd bang into the wing or tail. There'd be peri-mortem injuries, and there aren't.
So, next steps?
If he was calling you for help, he may have been trying to get in touch with the rest of the unit.
I called O'Donnell, Dixon, Sanchez, and Roscoe. No one's answering. No listed number for Swan. Even my office can't find it. So I'll ask again. Next steps.
You really want to let some other cops handle our dead friend's case? Let's go see Franzi's widow.
사건을 직접 해결하기로 마음먹은 두 사람은 프란츠의 아내 앤젤라를 찾아가고
I know the police have already asked you a million questions, but do you think you could walk us through the timeline?
I was away with Mikey in Provo, helping my sister with our mom. I tried Calvin for a few days and no return calls. So I got so worried. I came back early to find our home ransacked.
Were you aware of any cases Franz may have been working on?
He never brought work home.
Were any other members of the 110th working with him?
I don't know, maybe there's something in his office. It was trash, too. The cops couldn't find anything there. But from what Franzi always told me, was the special investigators weren't any old group of cops.
You do not mess with the special investigators.
Your daddy teach you that?
프란츠 아들의 말에 마음이 복잡해지는 리처. 일단 두 사람은 프란츠의 사무실로 향합니다.
Angela wasn't kidding when she said trashed.
They probably didn't find anything. You don't go to this length if you found what you needed right away.
Hey.
그건 과거 리처가 함께했던 부대원들의 사진이었죠.
If you don't mind me asking, who directed you to field this team, sir?
I don't mind you asking. I do mind you calling me sir.
She doesn't belong here. It's an officers' club. No enlisted.
I'm also a man with a rule. People leave me and my pals alone, I leave them alone.
Now, it's either she leaves or we drag you all out by your asses.
I'm providing you an opening because I promised my mother I'd give dumb guys like you a chance to walk away.
You know, I shouldn't have been at the officers' club.
I know.
And why get into a fight over it?
You didn't ask nicely.
You and I are gonna be pals, aren't we, Reacher?
Already are, Haley.
Tonight, the boys of the 91st learned a very important lesson. That you do not mess with the special investigators.
You do not mess with the special investigators.
Photo op, commemorate our first day as a unit. Okay, guys, 4 seconds.
리처가 회상에 잠긴 사이 니글리는 길 건너 우체국에 주목합니다.
Keychain? This is a mailbox key. Somewhere in plain sight that we see every day, but a place no one would suspect.
I ever tell you you're smart, Neely?
Not nearly enough.
두 사람은 곧장 우체국으로 향했고 니글리의 예상대로 프란츠의 사서함에 단서가 남아있었죠.
What have we got?
Looks like your post office hunch worked.
그렇게 프란츠의 USB를 챙겨 니글리의 숙소로 향한 두 사람. 그런데 난장판이 된 호텔방엔 여전히 인기척이 남아있습니다.
Hey, O'Donnell.
So you're still using brass knuckles?
Don't blame me for this shithole. I found it like this.
니글리의 방에서 튀어나온 남자의 정체는 리처의 옛 부대원 오도널이었죠.
I was with my family. Once a year, my wife makes us get a cabin in the middle of nowhere. So I got home, checked the voicemail, got here as quick as I could. So, who we killing over it?
그렇게 오도널까지 합류한 리처 일행은 프란츠의 USB를 열어봅니다. 하지만
Franz set it up so we get 3 guesses in 2 minutes or the drive's erased.
Passwords come from deep down.
Pittsburgh? That's all the guy talked about. If Franz respected someone, he couldn't be dissuaded.
Roberto Clemente. He'd only use the last name.
No, it isn't.
Who did Franz respect more than anyone? Any ball player, any artist? Who did he hero worship?
Son of a bitch. Andrew McBride, Alan Mason. Just a list of names, all starting with the initials AM.
All aliases. You keep the same initials so your signature never has to change.
He's got page after page of random numbers. Well, whatever this shit is, it was enough to get Franz killed, your room's trashed, and God knows whatever else we don't know about. We need more manpower.
None of the 1/10 are reachable.
We send a Christmas card to Swan every year. I think he lives in Queens now.
리처 일행은 멀지 않은 스완의 집으로 향해보지만 그의 집은 사람이 떠난 지 오래였고 키우던 개도 죽어 있었죠.
Drank the toilet bowl dry.
Dehydration.
Swan would never let a dog die of thirst.
Francie? Now Swan?
I'm thinking there's someone hell-bent on taking out the special investigators. And they're coming after us. Good.
상황을 더 파악해 나갈수록 리처의 심장은 분노로 가득 채워집니다.
There's a black sedan across the street, couple houses down. Same one as yesterday.
How you want to play this?
I'm gonna go introduce myself.
Look at this fucking butte.
하지만 리처가 박살낸 남자는 하필 경찰이었습니다.
Name's Gaetano Russo. Gaetano Russo. Guy Russo. He's the investigating officer in Franz's homicide. I saw it in the files.
I was pissed about the dog, and I assumed he was involved in killing Franzi and Swan.
As soon as Russo wakes up, the entire NYPD's gonna be after your ass.
As in, where do we hide a 6'5" felon so you don't wind up in the pokey?
When I called Sanchez and Orozco's office, voicemail was full. That's a bad sign.
We'll head down to Atlantic City, see if we can find the guys.
First, we gotta check out of our hotel and find a more generic ride.
일행은 일단 근처 공항 렌터카로 향했지만 신원까지 노출하며 차를 빌릴 순 없는 노릇이었죠. 2억짜리 레인지로버는 너무 눈에 띄고요. 그러던 그때 리처의 눈에 들어온 한 여성.
I've got our solution. How was your undercover job?
Reacher?
리처가 다가간 여성의 이름은 딕슨. 그녀 역시 리처의 부대원이었죠.
How'd you know I was undercover?
Considering the circumstances, you would have come right away. But you didn't, which can only mean you didn't get our messages until recently. Deep undercover. Where frequent check-ins aren't always possible.
Same old Reacher.
Ely O'Donnell and I have been flagged in the system. And I punched out a cop. Still got your fake ID with you?
Yeah.
Good. Use it to rent the car.
So, Franz.
And Swan. Sanchez and Orozco are MIA too.
Okay, so we take care of business. You do not mess with the special investigators.
딕슨의 위장 신분으로 차를 빌린 일행.
It's totally incomprehensible. I mean, if these are supposed to be fractions, then it's sloppy work. The first 4 pages have 26 numbers, the 5th has 27, and the last 2 have 26 again.
What about the list of AM names?
Means nothing to me. I agree with you guys. It's got to be an alias.
They left his broken body out there to rot. For all we know, Swan's out there too. And Sanchez. And Orozco.
그렇게 리처 일행은 사라진 산체스와 오로코스를 찾아 애틀랜틱 시티로 달려가지만 그들에게 붙은 미행은 경찰 루소 하나가 아니었습니다.
She's with them now. They're headed towards Atlantic City, probably gonna try to find their missing buddies.
All in the same place at once. When you get there, take them out.
얼마 후 도착한 산체스와 오로스코의 사무실은 이미 쑥대밭이 돼 있었고
You guys ever know Orozco to go anywhere without his lighter? Where to next?
Look at these photos with Sanchez and this woman. So she's important. We're going to the Lucky Lounge.
네 사람은 곧장 사진 속 여성 밀레나를 찾아갑니다.
This woman working today?
Who are you?
Friends of Jorge Sanchez?
Scary dude came in here asking for her about a week ago. Said he was working with Sanchez and Orozco on some big security job.
Scar down his cheek. He wanted to know if Sanchez had left any kind of digital storage device with me.
Do you know if Sanchez and Orozco had any recent contact with Calvin Franz or Tony Swan?
Actually, yeah, he was here a couple weeks ago. They were working a case together.
Was Swan involved?
But I heard him mention his name. You tried asking Franz about this?
We can't.
Why not?
Someone threw him out of a helicopter.
You think Jorge and Manuel are dead too?
If they're alive, we'll find them, but we need your help. Is there anything else you can recall that you haven't told us?
Last time I saw Jorge, he was sitting on that stool right there. He got a call. Seemed important. Kinda. He repeated a couple numbers, kind of like he was...
Do you remember the numbers?
He said 650 at 100K.
You're sure that's what he said?
You remember the last words someone you love said to you?
밀레나에게서 의문의 숫자 묶음을 알아낸 리처 일행은 그날 밤 카지노로 향하고
Guess this whole thing could be tied to gaming.
650 at 100K, we're talking 65 million bucks.
That's a lot of black chips.
I'm Ellie. I'll be your server. What can I get you?
The casino's director of security.
Now, Sanchez and Orozco talk about you guys all the time.
We think Sanchez and Orozco may have been looking into a $65 million gambling scam. We have reason to believe they might be dead.
We're not missing a penny. Our books are on mark.
What about your competitors?
Sanchez and Orozco we're working on. That might narrow it down for you.
While you're at it, run these names. See if any of them are registered at a hotel in town.
Well, then please allow me. Come on. I'll get you guys settled in.
그날 밤 리처와 딕스는 복잡한 생각을 정리하기 위해 밤 산책을 나옵니다. 하지만
See that car parked up the street? Pretty sure it was behind us on the expressway when we came into town. I might go over the fence. Go.
담장을 넘어 공사장으로 들어간 리처는 의도적으로 흔적을 남기고 놈들을 처리한 리처는 그들의 차량을 수색해 휴대폰 한 대를 발견합니다. 그리고
Is it done?
Not in the way you expected.
You should know that this hasn't been well for you.
Think I got his attention.
Should we trace the number?
This is a burner. Guy on the other end will be using a burner too. Now we have nothing to go on.
Not necessarily. Parking lot pass.
New age technologies.
그리고 다음날 카지노 보안 담당자는 일행에게 절망적인 소식을 전하죠.
Atlantic City PD told me that 2 more bodies have been discovered in upstate New York near where they found your other friend.
Their wounds match Franzi's.
Meaning he was tortured and tossed out of a helicopter.
One other thing, and I talked to my counterparts at the other casinos, and when I told them about the $65 million gambling scam, everything is within acceptable loss margins.
Where the hell are you going?
We're gonna need more guns.
Last chance! You talk or you fly, asshole. What's so funny?
I'm just thinking about what the big guy's gonna do to you.
Big guy? Who the hell was he talking about?
한편 주차권에 적힌 UAG라는 회사로 향하던 리처 일행의 뒤로 순찰차 한 대가 따라붙고
You four, wait here.
잠시 후 경찰 루소가 등장하는데
Hey, Slugger.
What are you waiting for? Get out.
Haley, Dixon, handle that parking pass matter.
O'Donnell?
This guy's my lawyer.
Good for you. Get in the car, Dershowitz.
Want to tell us what this is about?
Besides your bruised face?
For the record, that was a sucker punch, okay? And when this is all over, we're gonna go again.
Well, why don't you start with a show of good faith and explain why you were tailing us?
You guys were in the same unit for years. Now you're all being killed off. Calvin Franz's phone logs had multiple calls to you, Tony Swan, Jorge Sanchez, Manuel Orozco. Something's going on, and I think you guys know things.
If we share what we've got, you better have something for us in return.
결국 리처는 AM의 가명 리스트와 프란츠의 알 수 없는 숫자들을 루소에게 공유했고
This case just got a whole lot bigger than what we thought it was.
And known to happen.
그 사이 주차권을 쫓아 뉴에이지에 도착한 딕슨과 니글리는 회사 임원인 말로를 만나죠.
Francis Neely, Carla Dixon. I'm Marlo Burns, New Age Director of Operations. We don't often get visits from private investigators.
This isn't just any case we're working on. The victims happen to be our friends.
This parking pass was found in a person of interest's car. Hoping you could provide more information about who it was issued to.
I'll see what I can find. I found something. Our records show that parking pass 6322 was issued to a man named Trevor Seropian with his address. Apparently he runs an office maintenance company. He's not an employee. He was here for an interview.
Thank you. Sincerely.
얼마 뒤 로소는 새로운 정보를 찾아들고 리처를 다시 찾아옵니다.
And one of the names on the list, Alexander Markopoulos, just bought a ticket for a flight from Denver to JFK that boards in an hour. As soon as AM checks in, we got him.
하지만 공항에 도착한 AM은 경찰이 잠복해 있다는 사실을 단박에 알아차렸고 이미 노출된 자신의 가짜 신분을 태워버린 뒤 공항을 빠져나갑니다.
Yeah. I've been delayed. My IDs are burned. Authorities were waiting for me at the airport.
Well, you're supposedly the expert on all this, and we had a deal.
Mr. Langston, a question. For the type of product being purchased at the price offered. I have. Multiple times.
All right, we'll keep things moving forward on our end.
그날 밤 경찰서에서 풀려난 리처는 뉴에이지에서 얻어낸 트레버의 주소를 습격하기로 합니다. 완벽한 기량으로 상황 정리를 끝낸 그때 순간 직감이 발동한 리처는 곧장 그 차량을 쫓기 시작합니다. 바비큐 그릴입니다.
Who sent you?
Brian Collins.
Do you work at New Age?
Are you having a heart attack?
결국 남성은 말 한마디 없이 심장마비로 즉사했고 얼마 뒤 숙소로 돌아온 리처 일행에게 루소가 찾아옵니다.
A pipe bomb? What were you thinking?
There were hitmen who tried to kill us in Atlantic City. They failed, but they had a parking pass for a company called New Age. Neely and Dixon visited New Age, where the director of operations gave them the name and address of the person the pass was issued to.
An assassin left his address.
A hitman for hire getting an assignment to track us down, in which case getting a real address from them means someone wanted us to check it out. As it turns out, we were right. We got confirmation this all goes through New Age. Found that on one of them.
If we're gonna help each other, I gotta know that you guys are not gonna go rogue, especially now that we got a setback.
What setback?
AM never showed up at the airport.
That list of aliases we gave you is useless to us now.
I'm serious. No more fucking cowboy shit.
What are we gonna do now, boss?
Saddle up, because we're about to do a whole lot of cowboy shit.
루소의 경고에 자극받은 카우보이는 아예 뉴에이지를 직접 털어보기로 마음먹습니다. 잠입이 아니라 습격으로 말이죠. 모든 정보를 털어 빠르게 사라지려던 그때 리처는 뉴에이지에 걸려있는 사진 속 뜻밖의 인물을 발견하는데
Find something? No fucking way.
Holy shit, it's Swan.
He was working at New Age with the people who've been trying to kill us.
그날 아침
Just found our man in the employee directory. Seems Swan's title was Assistant Director of Security. Was Swan working with these guys or with these guys?
Swan's not dirty. There's no way the Tony Swan I recruited is a part of this.
You don't think there's even a chance?
No, I don't. Shane Langston, Director of Security. Maybe he's the guy I got on the phone in Atlantic City.
Hey, this is the guy Reacher chased down outside of Seropian's house. Associate Security Officer.
Swan, Collins, that's 2 New Age security personnel somehow involved in this. Now we gotta look into all these fuckers.
Don't forget Marlo Burns. She knew she was sending us right into a buzzsaw when she gave us Seropian's address.
뉴에이지에 관해 계속 살펴보던 니글리는 뭔가 의심스러운 단서 하나를 발견합니다.
I might have something. I've been scrubbing the drives for everything Swan related. There are multiple emails between Swan and our old friend Marlo Burns. I was listening to an album the other day. Thought you might like it. Jimi Hendrix, Axis, Bold as Love. The 6th song is amazing. Take a listen. Tell me what you think.
Swan hated Hendrix.
Could be code.
It says the 6th track is called Little Wing.
Hold on. A file on a federal defense project called Little Wing. By far the biggest contract New Age has ever had. It seems a test for the Little Wing tech was held for some military brass. But they do note that Senator Malcolm Lavoie assured he would do all he could to get the congressional votes to make Little Wing a reality. So if New Age stands to make a fortune on a government contract and Lavoie is its champion in Congress, it stands to reason New Age is the wind blowing Lavoie's back.
We'll never get close enough to a senator to find out what he may or may not know.
But as legislative director, they're the guys who actually craft and draft the laws, which is good for us because those guys have no security detail.
Okay, well, why would those people talk to us?
There's a lot of powerful people in DC with confidential problems. You give me 10 minutes to make some phone calls. I'll get the name of the legislative director and an Achilles heel.
오도널은 약속대로 모든 인맥을 총동원해 라보이의 입법부장 보이드의 신상을 알아내죠.
C+ student who got into UVA and Georgetown Law thanks to mommy and daddy's connections. Boyd's gonna be in Boston tonight for a fundraiser event at the Pops. We'll set him up like a bowling pin.
Yeah.
Listen, wise ass, my boss almost punched my ticket because of you. I told you, no more cowboy shit.
The car belonged to one of their employees. I was returning it.
I want everything you got on New Age.
I'm gonna send you their security team roster. Run background checks, see what connections these guys have. We're busy heading off to Boston.
What's in Boston?
The symphony.
리처와 오도널은 보스턴으로 가기 전 동네의 양아치들을 찾아갑니다.
Howdy. 5-0, 5-0.
Find a new line of work, asshole.
리처가 의문의 가루를 챙기던 그 시각 딕슨과 니글리는 뉴에이지 임원 말로의 집으로 향하지만 말로는 분주한 흔적만 남긴 채 이미 자신의 딸과 함께 사라진 뒤였죠.
Just some expensive jewelry Marlo left behind. Cabinets are open.
Think she bugged out?
You might want to come and see this.
Who the hell goes on the lam and leaves their cash stash behind?
Apparently Marlo Burns.
그날 밤 도망친 말로를 뒤로 한 채 리처 일행은 보스턴으로 향합니다. 오늘의 작전은 딕슨의 미인계였죠.
I'm sorry, I'm a little turned around. I don't know if I have.
How about I swap your ticket with my aide when he arrives?
Wouldn't he mind?
Not if he wants to keep his job.
예상대로 딕슨에게 넘어간 보이드. 공연이 끝난 뒤 두 사람은 함께 어디론가 이동하는데
Neely says my guy's in place.
Hey, this friend of yours, he's gonna come through for us, yeah?
If he was in the army, I'd have asked him to join the 110th.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
hold this.
Allow me.
딕슨이 건넨 물건을 의심 없이 들이키는 보이드. 하지만 그때 필리가 등장합니다.
Sir, you're gonna want to put the drugs away and step out of the car.
필리는 보이드를 경찰서로 연행했고 리처와 오도널을 FBI로 소개하며 취조실까지 들여보내줍니다.
Special Agent Jack Margrave.
Lieutenant Oscar Finley.
This is not college. We're law school, son. So these charges, they're not just gonna get swept under the rug.
We're here because we want to know everything there is to know about Little Wing.
Talk.
Little Wing is just a code name. Incredible anti-missile software originally developed to protect commercial aircraft, but a certain aeronautics company approached us.
New Age.
That's right, New Age. They found the software could be tweaked. It could be used in missiles and not just against them. The software allows missiles to defeat all known countermeasures. Little Wing can knock anything out of the sky.
And he did this out of the goodness of his heart?
Lavoie knew Little Wing would slingshot our military into the future. Waiting for it to go through the proper channels, it would never happen.
So I'm assuming Lavoie didn't clear up the red tape in the most reputable manner.
Nothing like you're thinking is going to happen. New Age is incredibly secure. Both of their facilities implement state-of-the-art
facilities?
New Age has 2 bases, software made in New York, hardware at a manufacturing plant in Denver. Hey, excuse me, the drug charges getting dropped or what?
I don't know. I'm not a cop.
Heck of a surprise getting a call from you.
Hell of a surprise hearing you're wearing the badge again.
You kill a whole lot of people.
Here and there.
You need my help.
Already gave it.
See you around, Reacher.
See you around, Finley.
필리와의 짧은 인사를 마친 리처는 동료들과 보스턴을 빠져나갑니다.
You and Dixon go to Denver. The Littlewing software is useless without the missile hardware, and that's where it's made. O'Donnell and I'll head down to D.C. I want to swing by Homeland, see what they know about AM.
How do you figure we're gonna do that?
My brother worked for Homeland. His contacts can help us.
How's Joe doing these days?
He's dead. I'm starving. We should eat.
허기진 배를 채우기 위해 스테이크 집에 멈춰서는 일행. 하지만 그때
Hand over your guns.
What makes you think we have guns?
We were told you'd be packing, Reacher.
They also tell you you'd die tonight?
I'm gonna cut you, gut you, and leave you.
그렇게 습격대를 박살낸 리처가 한 놈의 휴대폰을 집어듭니다.
Before you ask if it's done, it is.
Maybe we've been approaching this the wrong way, Mr. Reacher.
$65 million worth, Langston? Head of security? Assume that's who I'm talking to?
I have the means to give you anything you could ask for. Why don't we make a deal? What is it that you want?
I want to throw you out of a helicopter.
랭스턴에게 선전포고를 날린 리처는 다음날 조의 동료들을 찾아 국토안보부로 향합니다.
Zari Mahmood.
He's a ghost. Yeah, we've been calling him AM.
First popped up on our radar 6 years ago. Terrorist cell caught trying to acquire tanks of experimental nerve gas. We scooped up the whole lot, all of them except Mahmood. Guy's smart. Never been caught. No photos. His only god is money, and he works for the highest bidder.
This buy was supposed to happen with bearer bonds. You hold a bearer bond, it's like carrying $1 million bill. So no way AM lets anyone deliver payment but him.
Just like your brother. He said the same thing you just did. AM will be the delivery boy. No one else.
We give you our word. When this bird's cooked, we'll reach out.
Unless we kill them all first.
Just like his brother.
한편 공무원으로 위장한 딕슨과 니글리는 덴버에 위치한 뉴에이지의 미사일 창고로 향했는데
Nobody told me about this.
Uncle Sam wants to make sure you're using his money wisely. So, we're here to take a look at Little Wing shoulder-fired launchers.
10 minutes ago. That's the delivery schedule. Someone had called me first. I'd held them for you. All 650 of them.
650.
이미 리틀윙은 창고를 떠나버렸고 심지어 배송 중이던 트럭은 AM의 부하들에게 탈취당하고 마는데
Give me good news.
GPS tracker did the job. Your associates at New Age came through.
Switch the trailers and get on the road.
Meet you in New York.
18-wheelers can't go that fast on these roads. Get a decent shot at catching them.
AM의 부하들이 번호판을 바꾸는 사이 딕슨과 니글리가 현장에 도착합니다.
Who are these guys?
This is a hijacking.
I'm not wrong! Motherfuckers, they know who we are!
I think we got him.
Also looks like we got a front tire and gas tank.
현장을 벗어나려던 니글리는 놈들의 차량에서 충격적인 정보를 얻게 됩니다.
What's up, Neely?
Want the bad news or the worst news?
Surprise us.
Well, a New Age truck with all 650 missiles in it was hijacked.
I hope that's the worst news.
You wish. Tony Swan's alive. According to the bill of lading, Swan personally signed off on the shipment before he left the factory.
So he's in Denver.
No, the paperwork said he authorized it from New York.
It's a digital thumbprint.
New Age New York has iris scanners on the doors, thumbprint locks on the computers.
I know you want to believe Swan's clean, boss, but things look the way they look. Talk when we're safe, okay?
Copy that.
So what you said about killing them all? That include Tony Swan?
Going for a walk.
혼란스러운 마음으로 길을 걷던 리처의 앞에 수상한 차량들이 등장합니다.
Surprised it took Senator Lavoie this long to figure out who sweated his flunky last night.
The senator has a proposition for you.
Mr. Reacher, Malcolm Lavoie. I believe you know my legislative director, Mr. Boyd?
Yeah.
Imagine Boyd's embarrassment when he learned that the people he revealed our secrets to weren't FBI agents in the first place.
Jack Reacher. Seems like after you retired, you kind of fell off the face of the earth. Except for this incident a couple years ago in Margrave, Georgia.
Get to the point.
Well, I know it was you in Margrave, Mr. Reacher. I want you to do the same thing for the situation we have here.
Why?
Because in Boston, you insinuated to Boyd that military and civilian aircraft could be endangered due to Little Wing. Now, I can only assume that means the terrorists are interested in the tech, working hard to obtain it. I did what I did to give our side the tools they need to defend democracy. I don't want innocent people to die because of it. Get rid of the bad guys, keep my hands clean. Washington, we call that a win-win. No one will be able to prove that you were ever near those apples in the first place. And then you can disappear again. No one will go looking for you or your friends.
Yeah.
We gotta go back to New York. Coroner finally released Franz's body. Funeral's tomorrow.
다음날 뉴욕에서 다시 모인 리처 일행은 프란츠의 장례식에 참석합니다. 루소 형사도 현장에 함께했죠.
Mikey, my nephews have the same one. It's a great toy. We play with it all the time. I want you to have this too. This is mine, Saint Jerome. He's the patron saint of kids whose moms and dads go to heaven. It'll help keep your dad close. What?
Come on, Mikey. They're just about to start.
Why are you giving toys to my dead friend's son? You see a grieving widow and think, easy target?
I'm here to pay my respects.
Why'd a biker gang take a run at me in Boston last night?
Are you trying to say that I'm bent? You know why I was talking to Mikey? Because I know what he's going through. My father was a cop, a good one, and he refused to be on the take, and they killed him for it. Because while you were in Boston doing God knows what, I was running those security names from New Age, all former NYPD, all from the 3rd Precinct.
Whole team of bad cops?
Everybody except your buddy Swan. With his background, for all we know, he might have put the whole thing together. You want to call somebody dirty? First look in your own backyard.
잠시 후 시작되는 프란츠의 장례식. 하지만 그때
Get down! Active shooters! Run!
How many?
As far as I can tell, 2. I'll draw their fire, you take them out.
This.
Get in!
So you trust me now?
You got a rat in your house still, that's for sure. Shit, Russo. It's the pedal on the right.
Let me do my job.
Don't shoot! I'm done!
You're under arrest, asshole.
No. These guys took a run at us in broad daylight at a crowded funeral. They're getting desperate. Means this thing's coming to a head fast. Look the other way.
Oh, come on, man!
I'm not gonna waste my time with enhanced interrogation techniques. By not telling me everything you know, you're protecting the people who killed my friends. So if at any point before you die, you feel like fully unburdening yourself, blink.
Take you and your team down and get out of there before anyone knew what was going on.
Langston wouldn't give you all the cash up front. Where are you supposed to meet him to get the rest of the money?
I can take you there. I don't know any Langston.
Then who hired you?
Some guy called Swan.
그날 밤 리처 일행은 저격수를 데리고 접선 장소로 향합니다.
You go in there, get paid, give us a rundown, we'll cut you loose, you get to keep the cash.
Yeah, man. Whatever.
리처 일행의 감시 아래 접선 장소로 들어가는 저격수. 하지만
Bomb squad found remnants of a trip-wired rigged IED.
Bodies?
Just the snipers. Your pal Swan wasn't there. All of Burns' car was found north of Manhattan, near Cortland. Try not to leave any dead bodies behind this time.
Let's go find the woman that sent us to get killed.
Nothing in here, boss.
It looks like she dumped this thing and took off.
If I were her, I'd hit the head and grab a snack first.
She got her kid a drink and a dog, and bought a burner phone with cash.
Let me keep the change. You want to see better, you can scooch in.
She's not the scooch-in type.
Kid's playing a Nintendo Switch. If we knew her gamer tag, we could track the IP address to her device, and that'd lead us to their location.
I ever tell you you're smart, Neely?
Not nearly enough.
한편 경찰 내부에 배신자가 있다는 리처의 말이 신경 쓰이던 루소는 그날 밤늦게 경찰서장의 집에 찾아가고
Two people knew that Reacher and his team went to Boston. You and me. And I didn't sell them out to get jumped. So who did? I know you sold out Reacher and his team when they went to Boston. And I know you're working for those guys at New Age.
Look, the head of security from New Age, the guy...
Langston.
That's right. He came to me when you started poking around the Franz murder. And all he wanted to know was what you were finding out.
You're NYPD and you're aiding abetting terrorists?
Hey, watch your
that! You are sullying the greatest police force in the world.
I knew him well. I think about him all the time. And a good cop, and how that good man is 6 feet underground.
My father was a cop, a good one, and he refused to be on the take, and they killed him for it.
I don't want to go out that way, and neither should you. They paid me, they'll pay you. Take the goddamn money.
You didn't know my father, and you sure as hell don't know me.
그 시각 말로의 행방을 쫓던 리처 일행은 게임 아이디를 추적해 그녀의 위치를 알아냈고
Not a sound.
Did Marlo tell you she was running from an ex-boyfriend? She lied to you.
Call Marlowe out here or I'll shoot you in the leg.
Marlo, can you come out here for a sec?
Hey, Marlo. How you been?
Why'd you send us to get killed in an ambush?
I had no idea who or what was at the address I gave you. Our head of security got spooked when you guys came around asking questions. He told me to give you that address.
Oh, so now Langston's in charge, not Tony Swan.
No, he's the one trying to stop all this. He'd realized that chips being uploaded with the Little Wing software were being flagged as defective in numbers outside normal margin of error. But Swan thought someone in engineering had manipulated the testing board to randomly flag operational chips as defective.
These chips that were being marked as defective, 650 of them.
That sounds right. I told Swan to report his findings to Langston because I didn't know he was involved at the time.
Did Swan ever report back about what they dug up?
I never heard from him again. He just disappeared. After two of you came around asking questions, I was afraid Langston would see me as a potential liability.
We're looking for someone who recently hijacked a truckload of Sam's. How complicated is it to install the Little Wing chips into him?
He'd be fine on his own.
Be nice to know his engineer is.
We'll find out soon enough. You just have to ask Langston.
리처는 말로를 이용해 랭스턴을 불러낼 생각이었죠.
Where you been? I've been concerned.
I had to get out of town. Those two women who came by asking about Seropian, they brought a couple of friends to track me down. They threatened me and my daughter.
Where are you?
Outside the city.
I'm a man of my word. I can keep you both safe. Where could we meet?
미끼를 덥석 물어버리는 랭스턴. 리처는 혹시 모를 상황에 대비해 말로의 딸은 루소에게 맡기기로 하죠.
Need someone to watch the kid. We're luring Langston in to take him out.
Fine, but we can't stay here. I cornered Marsh and he copped to being on Langston's payroll. Told me to get with the program.
And?
I told him to f*** off. But I'm going to my cousin's house on Staten Island for a day or two. I'll bring the girl with me.
그렇게 리처 일행은 말로와 함께 약속 장소로 향하고
Keep us on speaker. Put the phone in your pocket.
You're gonna listen to my voice and you're gonna run when I tell you to run. We clear on that?
Okay.
As soon as you're gone, we're gonna come up behind him and block the exit. O'Donnell and Dixon will box him in.
Someone's coming.
Easy. Don't spook her. Up ahead.
랭스턴이 약속 장소에 나타난 그 시각 말로의 딸과 함께 집을 떠나던 루소는 뒤에 따라붙은 차량 한 대를 발견합니다.
Jade, get in the back and keep your head down. Just stay down. Hey, they tracked us down. We're under heavy automatic fire.
It's Russo. We gotta go.
Wait, what's wrong?
Who the hell is she talking to?
일이 보였습니다.
It's a setup. Get her. That's Reacher. Kill it. Go, 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 go.
It's Neely. Get in.
Hurry!
What in the f*** was that?
They found Russo. We gotta go.
Go find Jane. I'm not done here.
Get down!
There he goes. Get him.
Russo, what's your 20?
I'm heading east.
Keep headed towards Queens. We're gonna intercept.
마침내 멈춰선 랭스턴의 차량. 이제 사냥의 시간입니다.
just you and me now, Langston. You killed the wrong guy's friends, asshole.
하지만 그때 결국 눈앞에서 랭스턴을 놓치고 마는 리처. 한편 랭스턴의 부하들에게 쫓기던 루소는 막다른 길에 가로막혀버리고
You okay? Okay, don't move till I come and get you. Come on! When I say so, you run as fast as you can. Now!
It's not always fair, kid.
Jane! Call 911! Help is on the way. Hold on, Russo.
The girl.
She's okay.
Ambulance is on its way.
마지막까지 아이를 지켜낸 루소는 결국 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
All right, we need to get you two out of town to somewhere safe. Everyone I trust with my life, or anyone else's, is already involved in this thing. Neely, Dixon, was there ever a time in your life when you had very little attachment to a place?
A few months after I was discharged, I went to Buffalo, worked in-house at this debt collection agency.
Anyone there you trust?
My landlord, Bob Lee, retired firefighter, old school Irishman, calls me every year on my birthday, so yeah, I think he'd do me a favor.
Buffalo it is.
So what's the plan?
O'Donnell and Dixon will make sure Marlo and Jane get off safely. Neely and I have business with Lieutenant Marsh.
Russo's boss?
Russo confronts him about being dirty and dies within hours. I'd say we have a lot to talk about.
그렇게 찾아간 서장의 집.
I want eyes out here in case any of Marsh's pals show up.
Whatever you do to Marsh, make him feel it. A good man died in my arms last night.
Is that the going price of an honest cop's life these days? Cowards like you never like to get your hands dirty.
It wasn't like that, okay? Yeah, I told Langston that Russo was onto him, but I didn't think in a million years that they would kill him.
And anyone who knew him as long as you did would know that. So when you called Langston, you knew exactly what would happen. We know the buyer, Mahmoud, Mason, Marino, or whatever the hell he calls himself, will soon come into possession of 650 shoulder-fired surface-to-air missiles. I need to know when and where that meeting's taking place.
I'm looking at Grant. Grant would know.
Who's Grant?
The guy you ran over last night.
He's dead.
He's not. He's not dead. He's in intensive care in Mount Sinai.
Being an honest cop isn't that hard. Just ask Russo. Oh, wait. You can't.
그 시각 말로 부녀를 피신시킬 차량이 도착합니다.
Driver's got $5,000 cash in pocket. That guarantees you a safe trip to Dixon's friend's place.
Okay.
Hey, you're gonna be fine. Your mom, she's pretty brave. And the dangerous stuff, that's over. Speed limit all the way, sir.
한편 리처와 니글리는 아직 살아있다는 암살자 그랜트를 찾아가는데
Hi, Grant.
When and where is Langston meeting his buyer?
Don't know anything. I think you do. Let's make sure.
What the hell?
Do you know how a catheter works? There's a balloon inflated in your bladder holding it in place. If I fill the balloon port with air, it'll burst the balloon and tear your urethra apart like a piñata. So if I were you, I'd start talking.
Get the hell down, buddy.
Okay. Langston's meeting the buyer tomorrow.
What time?
5 a.m.
Where?
I told you all I know.
Well, lucky for you, it looks suspicious when your insides blow up. But if you have an embolism after a car accident, no one suspects a thing.
No.
A gift from Gaetano Russo.
복수를 마치고 병실을 빠져나가는 두 사람. 하지만 그 순간 리처를 알아본 한 남성이 다급히 도망치는데 남성은 사라져버렸고 리처와 니글리는 흩어져 놈을 수색합니다.
I wanted to question him.
Maybe we can still get some answers.
리처는 남성의 휴대폰으로 랭스턴에게 전화를 겁니다.
Give me some good news.
You're down another man, but I left his body in the morgue for convenience.
Oh, that's okay. And I've got two of your guys.
Bullshit.
I had the GPS on his precinct car run. Nothing unusual except for a visit to the JD's Motel. So today, I sent some of my boys over there, and guess what they found? Your pals.
What do you want?
You know, this has gone way too far. I got an R&D facility in Rockland County. Your cohort, come here.
My cohort's name is Neely, and she's dead.
Then you come here now.
I'll be there sometime tonight. When I show up, I need proof of life.
But if you try anything cute, you'll get proof of death.
랭스턴과의 전화를 끊은 리처는 곧바로 상원 의원 라보이에게 연락해 도움을 요청합니다.
Your private security. Former SEALs and Rangers?
2 SEALs, 1 Ranger.
Good. I need him.
그날 밤 약속 장소에 도착하는 리처와 니글리. 하지만 철통 같은 보안을 뚫어내긴 불가능해 보였고
There's no way to initiate a plan from the outside without putting them at risk.
That's why I have to do this from the inside.
You're just gonna walk in there?
Don't worry. I'm not just gonna lie down and take it.
그렇게 정문으로 당당히 걸어 들어가는 리처. 오도널과 딕슨이 보입니다.
Oh, hold on. This for you? Stop.
The surveillance photos don't do you justice. Get him ready. Yeah, what did you find out?
Clement?
No.
You weren't in charge.
Where is she?
Must have got a call from one of your pals on the force. Put the gun down. We both know you can't shoot me till you find her.
I can't shoot you. Sit down. We're gonna talk.
주의가 끌린 사이 니글리는 경비원들을 하나씩 암살해가며 전진하고 있었죠.
1, 2. Perimeter guards neutralized. What's your ETA?
3 minutes out.
Had this whole thing planned out. But then your boy Swan started sniffing around and f***ed my well-thought-out plan like a Times Square whore. But that's okay, because now we use Swan to sign off on the paperwork.
Where is he?
You want to see him? You see, I didn't need all of it to frame him. It's his fingerprint to get into the computer, sign off on some documents, and his iris to scan. This reunion's over. I got a meeting with a man that's gonna give me $65 million. Load those two on a chopper and then come back for this asshole.
한편 저 멀리 라보이의 요원들을 발견하는 니글리.
You came through, the boy.
그런데 인질들이 헬기로 끌려가기 시작하고 이제 리처는 웅크렸던 몸을 일으킬 준비를 합니다. 지원군도 본격적인 미션을 시작합니다.
Get the hell out of the country before the cops and the feds show up!
Hey, boss.
Neely? Langston's getting away.
Get this thing up in the air, all right?
How much ammo you got?
3.
1, 2.
Open the back doors. Time for you to fly. Ladies first.
바로 그때
Jesus Christ, Richard! You just don't know when to quit! Here's the deal! I can use your pal's brass knuckles and smash your skull!
Oh no. Wait.
You better hold this thing steady, or we're We're gonna find out the hard way if I can land it.
마침내 찾아온 참교육의 시간.
Don't kill me, okay? Where can leave my mood? You assume that's the information I need, Langston, but in an investigation, assumptions kill.
That was a really cool line, but I hope you actually know where the hell AM's headed.
I don't, but he does.
Look, I have the coordinates. Please just don't kill me.
몇 시간 뒤
Excellent. Langston's already here.
Get inside.
There must be some mistake. I don't know any of you people.
Your little scientist friend's being held in the barn with the pilot. You killed our friends.
Arrest me and get it over with.
We'll give you one chance. Tell us who you're selling the weapons to.
Oh, I'm sorry. That would ruin my reputation and my business. It's just business. Between the seller of the gun or the user, I prefer to be the seller.
AM을 걸레짝으로 만든 리처 일행은 이제 리틀 윙을 챙겨 창고로 향합니다.
Hey man, I didn't kill anyone. I only flew the chopper. I'm just an engineer.
Get out of here. Both of you.
잠시 후 놈들의 헬기가 이륙하자
Fire in the hole!
I guess Little Wing works.
그 순간 뒤에서 총을 겨누는 라보이의 요원들.
Sorry, but Senator Lavoie was clear. No one can ever know what really happened. Can't take the risk one of you might talk.
I underestimated you guys. I thought you might make a move as soon as I let him get on the chopper. I figured Lavoie was the kind of guy that would cover his ass. That's why I didn't just call Lavoie. I also called Omar Kareem in Homeland. Cutting him pretty close.
Is government ever efficient?
경호원들이 제압되자 리처는 직접 라보이에게 전화를 겁니다.
Is it over? There's just one last loose end that needs tying up. I think this is what's called a win-win.
You've got the green light. Get going. We'll clean up here. Oh, one more thing. Where's the money?
What money?
며칠 후 죽은 프란츠의 가족에게 편지 한 통이 도착합니다.
Silent nights in the tree. The bridge across the creek.
리처의 선물을 받은 이는 프란츠의 가족뿐만이 아니었습니다.
It's millions of dollars earmarked for my kids. Can't be for my brother. He died recently.
루소의 가족에게도 떠난 동료의 가족들에게도 메시지가 도착하죠.
Hey, do we know someone named Swan or a dog named Maisie? Got a donation in his name.
Mr. Neely, I'm Connie Bunbury from Chicago Home Health. I'm part of the team that's been hired to provide you round-the-clock medical care.
What did you do?
You'd have felt funny if I just put cash in your account.
I ever tell you you're a good friend, Reacher?
Not nearly enough.
What about me?
I put a shitload in your kids' names. It'll cover private school tuition, college, trade school. I started a Delaware LLC in your name, fully funded. You're too smart to be working for anyone but yourself.
What about you, big dog? What'd you get for yourself?
I need a new toothbrush.
You know, Reacher, when I found out that you were wandering the earth with nothing but what you could carry in your pockets, I thought you'd lost your mind. But there's a part of me that thinks that you're the only one out of us that's got it all figured out.
To absent friends.
To absent friends.
그렇게 모든 동료들의 복수를 마친 리처 일행은 마지막 사진 한 장만을 남겼고 며칠 후 리처는 또 다른 여행을 찾아 터미널로 향합니다.
We need to get better at staying in touch.
Yes, Master Sergeant. Bye, Neely.
One more thing. You referred to these special investigators as your team, your soldiers, even your friends. But you know we're more than that, right?
리처는 평소와 똑같은 뒷모습으로 그 대답을 대신하죠.
Where are you coming from?
Right here.
Doing what?
Visiting family.
홀로 길을 떠나지만 더는 혼자가 아닌 리처를 비추며 아마존 시리즈 리처 시즌2가 막을 내립니다. 드라마 참 맛깔나게 잘 만들었네요. 구성 좋고 액션 좋고 기가 막힌 캐릭터성에 타격감까지 뉴욕식으로 한상 푸짐하게 차린 명작 시리즈 리처였습니다. 앞선 리처의 시즌1이 게임으로 따지면 개인전이었다면 시즌2는 니글리, 오도널, 딕슨과 함께하는 팀전이었는데요. 각 캐릭터의 특성이 확실해서인지 문제를 해결하는 과정이 생각보다 단순하게 느껴진다는 점이 의외였습니다. 생각 없이 편하게 액션을 즐기고 싶은 분들께는 장점으로 좀 더 치밀한 사건 해결 과정을 즐기시는 분들께는 다소 아쉬운 점으로 다가갈 수 있겠네요. 물론 무슨 코코넛만한 리처의 주먹은 전 시즌보다 더 묵직해진 느낌이라 무척 좋았습니다. 무엇보다도 처지는 부분 없이 계속 재밌었고요. 세상은 자꾸 왜 특수부대원들을 건드는지 모르겠습니다. 리처는 아마존 프라임에서 시청 가능합니다. 감사합니다.